3.1415. You get 25,132 miles. If you take that times 5,280 feet, because we're going to add 10 feet to this. If you take that times 5,280, we're going to get 132,696,960. You add 10 feet to that, you're going to get 132,696,970. And just using our simple math equation, we're going to divide by pi, 3.1415, and you're going to end up with 42,240,003.183. You take your original 8,000 mile diameter times 5,280, and you get 42,240,000. So if you add 10 feet you're going to get 3.183 feet more diameter, which is, what is that, 1.5 plus 9, what is that, half a 9, well, just over 1.5 feet is going to be added to the diameter, to the radius. If the diameter is going to be adding 3.183, the radius is going to be adding about 1.6 feet, and that is plenty high enough for an alligator to crawl under. So alligator is the right answer. If you add 10 feet to any circle of any diameter, 2-inch, 8,000 miles. If you add 10 feet to their circumference, you are always going to add 3.18 feet to the diameter. Always. It's just the way it works. Because what they taught you was the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So right away you're thinking pi is 3.1415 times 2, and then you're lost. Right away you're lost. You're going to take this double pi thing and you're going to try and multiply it times the rate. No, you're never going to forget it. If you just remember that the diameter times pi is equal to the circumference. We built a playground one time, and it had a 100-foot diameter. I asked the architect, they brought the architect, we had big problems with their layout and how they put the gravel down. We had the architects out there. I said, what's the circumference of this? If you were to build a fence around this, what's the circumference? And they're like, oh, I don't know. I said right away, it's 314 feet. The diameter was 100 feet. The diameter times pi, 3.1415 is 314 feet. If the good Lord says, take 315 panels and make a perimeter and fold one over so that there's 314 panels, that's going to tell you right away that it's got a diameter of 100 panels, whatever those panels are. So adding 10 feet to any circumference is going to produce an added radius of just over 1.6 feet, no matter the size of the circle. Thanks for trying.